Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in Microsoft tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to give access to SharePoint in 2025. SharePoint is Microsoft's powerhouse for collaboration, allowing teams to share files, documents, and data securely. Whether you're a manager granting access to your team or just sharing a folder with colleagues, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a Microsoft 365 account. If you don't have one, head over to the Microsoft website and sign up. It's free for basic use. Once logged in, open SharePoint from your Microsoft 365 dashboard. You'll see a list of sites. Navigate to the one you want to share. Now, here's the fun part: granting access. Click on the site or document you want to share. Look for the Share button, usually in the top right corner. It's that easy. A pop-up window will appear. Here, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to give access to. But wait, it's not just about adding names. You can also set permissions. For example, choose Can View for read-only access or Can Edit for full collaboration. This is crucial in 2025's updated interface, as Microsoft has made it more intuitive with role-based options to prevent accidental changes. After selecting the right permissions, hit Send or Share Now. You'll get a confirmation, and the recipients will receive an email invitation. Pro tip: always double-check the access levels to maintain security. Nobody wants sensitive data in the wrong hands. And just like that, you're done. Giving access in SharePoint 2025 is straightforward and boosts productivity. If you run into any issues, check Microsoft's Help Center for more details. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.